playing with fire.
How much fuel is this?
At least 2/3. We've always got a 400 size helicopter for sale if you want it. I think it's about 90 quid.
Or battery or
The whole thing.
nitro or electric?
Electric. Nice recovery, dude.
You didn't stop where I thought you would stop.
No, because there's no tail servo, dude. It's a piece of rubbish. I wouldn't rely on it. Don't gamble with it, dude. Put a decent tail servo in and then you play it.
Little